KataçoniX. How many suns are there? This is how it cuts. Katterson makes two, at least. A rising Ra reverse Osiris, Earth station. When they count O or 1 tags 2, A as 3 tags 5, Eos's twin faults squash something. They lock an alien entity into solar systematics. The schizophrenic sun has an inner night sticking it together. Solar equator cuts through it. Matter energy too collateralize across a xeno-nightmare. When it caves into itself, first 9, then 3, it still misses it. KataçoniX run in reverse from Eos's necks. X zoom. Crossing cultural shelves from entire leveling at geotime 0. Through 1. Zenith or Xeno-nightmare, which is now. 2. The citizen gigamachine, ice floats. 3. War machines. 4. State megamachines, snake cult monuments. It cuts out in click hiss. Kts, kurtz. These are zones. Each sets a slow factor, vowelizations, vacant sectors. Slow signs are A or O 0, also many others. Cuttings, failings. 4. Bite, Northern Oceans, Artaw, Agent Orange. Time tags Eos's functionality, attract no smaller than all of artificial now. Alpha 1 makes 2 in itself. A twists over the twin fault. O charfakt. Alter origin, Ariman Ormuz. Ante Omega. Where continuum nexes, they can sorcerize twin intelligence. Intercancellation stases. Aeons of coefficient killing machinery. If it's going to occur, it has. Running time means you never have to wait, even when fainting with hunger for kurtz. Ultimate, intimate, Katarsan, Zafer, Urfru. Are the oceans extraterrestrial or not? Katarsan, the fish star, sinks Antarctica, triggering Kwang Earth. Runaway geosmear through seismoclimactic linkage. It's summertime in the settlement areas. Mutual reinforcement series, headings, shelvings, scourings, revellings. Ice sheet melt meets seafloor lift. 7 times 10 to the 7 kilometries, aggregate water overflow, slither morasses of the ozone simmer at an average Celsius 50. When this is what you see, you'll know it's time. Your skin sticks to geography where it touches reality. Tsunamis, Katarsan, Zafer, Urfru, Katarsan, Zafer, Urfru. Civilization lost in flat, wet-out fevers. Then the war kicks in. Kur, kalukta, kekta, kurkete, koto, hula, kurtete, kartete, karaguna, karta, charta, kate, cruise, zone 1. Oh, giga-civilization meets no concrete equivalent, only resistance. Nightmare 2. It counts itself one at a time whilst twin faulting. Meta successive. Gigamachine numeracy has a variety of consistent features. 1. Axiomatic linkage collates novelizations with counter-function sections. 2. Segmentary culture, communication rules, information units. 3. Each new now travels as a reinforcement wave across 2 series. 1. It nests as universal histories of alphanumerical systems. 2. Logics of axiomatization. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 10 cannot count itself. Take 1, coins 2, notes as construct levels. Some amount of coins make a note. Twin faults crisscross coins notes with the zygose system at issue. A coins nex. O notes, A notes, nex, O coins. Axiomatics nexes numeracies to languages in this way. 1. Lexometrics, linguistic coin counting using numeric notes. 2. Arithmology, numerical coining naming using linguistic notes. Surely, General, when you gave Kurtz 29 air cav, you must have known. Trails off. This is scarcely human. At most, a sentient coma. Autism. It's cranking Agent Orange into your arm every night for 1,000,000 years, lurking in furnaces, crawling ever further in. As soon as Kurtz is extinct, Wintermute takes over. KS, Kurtz signal. Airstrikes ineffective. There are no concentrations or control centers. Slowness infection. Malfunctioning intelligence machinery. No longer cataloging hostile contacts as human. Mission unstrapping in Nova heat. Everything loses if it isn't going south. No message except that Vaung's out there, very stale. It's some sort of chicken game. Shifting skin currency, Zone 2. E. We're learning alphanumerics. Last night it was the Tau 3 jungles. They animate, turn carnivorous. Earth floats in the lower sun. Snakes, cancer, engulfings. You wake screaming forever. It's only the 6th time so far. Currencies come in sets. Each sketches a numeroculture making war creation. They are intrinsically several. Snake eggs, talk charts, click hiss cross-hatchings. Multi-vective nova continua. Moltings, wreckages. Time missiles lost in the jungle. As they talk without language, they tell themselves how to move without concentrating. Crossings, trigger values. It treats enemy forces as a nutrient reservoir. Air cav regiments fraction to machine heat. Crunching 6 sustains a Quernomai war catacycle. Stealing food lets it hack out its guts. Hot torsion click in. It gets lighter, scatters faster, eat less or kill more. Slow roast memory to momentum conversion. Currency quanta coercive crossing wars that last. Language equals ice. Anti-currency, glue, grammar lexicon twin seizure, squeezing out machinism, incremental equation of the mouth. Once skin transmission starts, it returns to the jungle. Numerals are for naming numeracies. Money systems are for autism waves. Mouths are for venom. Signifier eye gougings, fingers missing. Tomorrow melts into casualty statistics. No, soon left. Just insert scream messages to love the jungle. Out here the war is Earth thinking for itself. Or the twins. Use equations executively, not conclusively. Traffic tax cross from to. Snake squalls. It continues. Mutation recounts trivia. Night screen. White lines. This is what it tells itself. Melt syntax into suffix systems that next to numeracies. Functionalize case. Effectuate theories as microcultural turnings into. Try out flattenings. For every rule, make a rule remaking move, squashing it onto continuum. Talk in counters, count in cuts, each in several ways. Queer numerize. Treat every channel as virtual intereffective with every other. Use real elements. When taken as clicks, one makes one win. None or 9 makes 2. 2 or 8 make 1. 10 or 1 make 1. 1, 1, 2. Turn inferior. Evacuate the mouth. Talk to skin currencies. Make things tilt slant to stock to routines. Sift out habits into switch traffic, skills, tenets. Extract lines of continuation, slanting shelves, erratic concurrencies. Hack out security features. Seek out tomorrow too. As if something was throttling them. You think chthonic was for human? Chthink, chthonic, chthelx, chthosun, chthosion. Turning into is not exchanging for, changing for. It is traveling with or touching non-locally, engineering convergence, continuous now emergence or intensive fusion. Convergence engineering makes whatever intensities run on. It involves an effective semiotics, melting signs into neo-numerical currency units, choking noises. This was the funniest. They thought it was trying to talk human. Snake in its throat, velocity confusion. Inert control mass clogs languages near to stasis. It's easy to camouflage comma-face xenoculture kit in them. Anglo-linguistic mishmash creolizations. Zone 3. A. I Ching numeracy runs 1, 2, 11, 12, 21, 22, 111, 112, 121, 122, 211. It could count forever. Kurt's trajectory crosses the line, snarls. Vong time says seize existence. Saving ammo for real now where life lent useful, it seethes. Switching to skin currencies, nothing can live here so it's easy to talk. 3, 3, throw, ethro, o. Earth 3, theta waves, stone 3T, HROAT, AT, 80, 88, OT, Voan vision scan across waste immensities, white-hot lines crisscrossing through metal, stink of crustaceans sizzling. Xanthilla. Kotarn, kunkat kut, katsarkat, akuna kokatar, kaluna, katsur, kuna, akur, kurn, okroma, tatan, ki kroma, okroma, okino, kroma, Helsinki. Volume kilometers, re-tack to true south. Software wolves comb through the ruins of the future. Sheer science friction, extinct. In 6 clicks it's crossling. Uncut quags of the south. Korans counts to 29. Cancer, cancer, cancer. Cancer, 1 times several. Can the cancer crisis, can the snakes, can 2 snakes CS2 canister. 666999 cytosine plus chlorodracyl plus trimethylsilicate infochemistry. Skin modelings. Thermosignature neutralization cancels heat seeking. Surgical analysis enemy physiomass classification hostile microanatomy as neo-akaryotic insufficient. Notes. Incremental fission cellular architecture into electromolecular traffic clusters. Infochemical transfer to trihelical rhizosomes. Immense range of 3-methyl-hexachlorosilicate monomers, sole function uracil analog scenes. Tissue cultures. Crosstalk. Staccato clicks across howl. RVFZS surface tension. Swerve vortex. Erratic. SK. Kink. Sync. Scissogenic. Kiss. CS. Instinct matrix. Sequence. Sensitization twists through tactical shuffling sequences. Cross-key rhythms. Quernomic. Slowa. Whatever hashes the equator, querversion veves loa, the secret ones, each a rhythm ascent to surface, neuronic stone, sphinxes, aqua, incognita, time jungles in a vast convulsive recession of the equinoxes, snake wine relentless, and magnetic it calls south. Lagoons of the equator, counting to 29, Kirans, the sun, its surface stirring rhythmically like slag on molten metal, time travel latitones, sea virus, snakings, clutter, times many, schism, tactile screen scrollings into SCI icons, sigma sift, syzygetics. 926 OD pest. 629 pest OD.